Every SOC L1 job posting says one thing: experience required. But here is the problem. How do you get experience when nobody is willing to give you your first cybersecurity job? Most beginners keep collecting certificates and watching courses, but when the interviewer asks, "Tell me about a SOC project you have worked on," they have nothing to show. In this video, I'm going to share 7 beginner-friendly SOC L1 projects that you can build from your home lab, add to your resume, showcase on LinkedIn, and even discuss confidently during interviews. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for SOC Analyst L1 role and want some practical experience without working in a real SOC, then this video is for you. Let's jump straight into the project. The first project is Windows Event Log Monitoring. Every SOC analyst spends a significant amount of time analyzing logs, so learning Windows Event Logs is a must. For this project, install a virtual machine and start exploring Event Viewer. Focus on important security event IDs such as 4624 for successful logins, 4625 for failed logins, user account creation events, account lockout events. Your goal is to understand what's normal and abnormal login activity looks like. This project basically teaches log analysis and security monitoring fundamentals. And then you can add this resume point in your resume. Project number 2. The second project is building your own SIEM lab using Wazuh. This is one of the best projects you can put on your resume. Install Wazuh in a virtual environment, connect a Windows endpoint, and start collecting logs. Generate alerts by creating failed login attempts, suspicious PowerShell executions, or unauthorized account creations. You will learn SIEM fundamentals, alert investigations, log correlations, endpoint monitoring. This project closely resembles what a real SOC analyst does daily. The third project is detecting brute force attacks. Set up Kali Linux and a Windows machine in your lab. Use a tool like Hydra to generate multiple login attempts against your target machine. Then analyze the logs generated on the Windows system. Try to answer questions like which account was targeted, how many failed login attempts occurred, what was the attacker's IP address. This project demonstrates your ability to detect and investigate authentication attacks. Resume point, so you can add this into your resume. The project number 4, phishing email analysis. Phishing remains one of the most common attack methods used by the cybercriminals. For this project, collect sample phishing emails from training platforms or publicly available datasets. Analyze email headers, sender reputation, embedded URLs, attachments. Use tools like VirusTotal, URL Scan, or MX Toolbox. Your objective is to determine whether the email is malicious and document your finding. This project helps you develop analytical skills. They are highly valuable in SOC environment. And then you can add this in your resume point. Number 5. Now let's move to malware analysis. Don't worry, I'm not talking about reverse engineering malware. As a SOC L1 analyst, your role is often malware track. Take suspicious file hashes and analyze them using VirusTotal, any.run, hybrid analysis. And then you can identify the network connections, malicious behavior, indicators of compromise, IOC. Then create a short malware analysis report. This project demonstrates your ability to investigate security alerts and identify threats. And then you can add this point in your resume. Number 6, the sixth project is threat hunting using Sysmon. So install Sysmon on a Windows machine and generate activities such as PowerShell commands, command prompt executions, new process creation events. Then investigate the logs and look for the suspicious pattern. You can also map your findings to MITRE attack techniques. Threat hunting is a skill that can significantly differentiate you from another or other entry-level candidates. And then you can add this on your resume. Number 7, the final project is a complete incident response investigation. Create a scenario where a user reports suspicious account activity. Your job is to collect logs, investigate events, determine root cause, assess impact, document findings. Finally, create a professional incident report. This project combines everything you have learned and closely simulates real-world SOC workflows. And then you can add this on your resume. So here is the bonus project that most candidates ignore. Create a GitHub repository and upload all your investigations. Include SIEM screenshots, incident reports, threat hunting findings, malware analysis reports, Phishing investigations. When recruiter asks about your experience, you can simply share your portfolio. A portfolio often speaks louder than certificates. And then we have some free resources. So for log analysis practice, you can use these applications and a GitHub repository I mentioned. Blue Team Labs Online, Let's Defend, or Try Hack Me SOC Level Path, MITRA, Wazuh, right? For malware analysis, you can go to the Virus Total, Hybrid Analysis, any.run. I have leave these resources in the description also, so you can check it out. So if you are serious about becoming a SOC analyst, don't just watch my SOC L1 playlist or courses. Start building project. Pick at least one project from the list today and add it in your resume. Also, let me know in the comments which project you are planning to build first. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for a SOC role. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.